We have heard a lot that consuming salt in large quantities is not good for our health, but salt can help reduce headache, raise energy levels, boost immunity, balance serotonin and electrolyte levels and more. Sugar and salt are not allowed in large amounts due to their potential harmful effects, but they also have a positive side as well. American health expert, Matt Stone, explains about the special combination of sugar and salt and its effect on the human health. It seems that a mixture made from sugar and salt may reduce the stress that shows up in the night and wake you up in the middle of your sleep. Sugar and salt work as a battery for cells. The balance of the sodium provides proper cell respiration, and the glucose directly supplies the mitochondria. These two ingredients are able to manage stress. Sugar sends signals to the body to shut down stress hormone production that affects your metabolism and keep you awake at night. And salt is also important in maintaining homeostatic conditions where the adrenaline is under control. So, if you are one of those people that feel the adrenaline circulates and keep you awake in the night, a mixture of sugar and salt can save you. The combination of salty and sweet helps balance and normal function of the stress hormone, says Matt Stone. Here is how to make this hypnotic powder. You'll need 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. The best choice is to use raw brown sugar and Himalayan salt, but if you don't have these, ordinary sugar and salt will be okay. In a glass or a cup, mix the ingredients well. Before going to bed, or when you wake up in the middle of the sleep, put a little bit of the mixture under your tongue. You will get back to sleep in a very short time.